A moody bedroom is the perfect blend of sophistication, comfort, and style, characterized by deep, rich colors and carefully curated textures. Opt for a dark color palette, such as navy, charcoal, or deep green, to create a sense of intimacy and drama. Balance these hues with lighter accents like white linens or metallic decor to prevent the space from feeling too heavy. Layered lighting, including dimmable fixtures, bedside lamps, and accent lights, plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Choose furniture with dark wood finishes or plush, upholstered pieces to enhance the room's depth. Add luxurious textiles, such as velvet bedding and soft rugs, to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Thoughtful decor, like statement art, mirrors, and personal touches, completes the look. By carefully balancing dark elements with lighter accents and natural materials, you can create a moody bedroom that serves as a stylish and restful retreat.